Hello everyone, welcome back to EduTap and welcome to Finance Current Affairs session. In today's session, we are going to discuss a very important news article of finance that is regarding the Reserve Bank of India that has launched a new mission, a very important mission that we are going to discuss in today's session. And this is a very important mission of the RBI that we need to understand. Okay, so what is this mission? What the theme of this mission is? Everything we are going to discuss in today's session. But before starting with this session, there is a big announcement from EduTap that we have brought for you the comprehensive guide for RBI and SEBI. So through a single guidebook, you can get all your common queries answered. If you want to know about the examination, if you want to know about the preparation, if you want to know about the organization, all your common queries can be answered through this single guidebook, and there are the definitive answers that are provided in this guidebook. You do not have to visit different links, you do not have to visit different websites, and this is made absolutely free of cost to save your time, to save your efforts, and you can easily download these guidebooks. The link is provided in the description box below, so do download these guidebooks. Now starting with the press release that has been released by the Reserve Bank of India. So the Reserve Bank of India has launched the Digital Payment Awareness Week 2023, and in this the launch of the mission, that is Her Payment Digital, has happened. Okay, so the mission is Her Payment Digital. This is a very important mission that has been launched by the Reserve Bank of India. So now let's understand the background, that why there was a need for this Digital Payment Awareness Week, or why there was a need for this mission. Okay, so first of all, that in the previous few years we have seen that the digital payments are booming in our country. Okay, there has been a very high increase in the digital payments that has happened. Okay, especially due to COVID also. At that time there was social distancing that was being done, and due to that also there was increase in digital payments. There was more acceptance of the digital payments that was happening. So while the digital payments have skyrocketed during the past few years, the steps has been taken by the government of India, the steps has been taken by the Reserve Bank of India, the NPCI has taken many steps in the past few years, but still there is the far off areas, there are the villages, there are the suburban areas that still do not have the penetration of the digital payments. They still are not aware about the digital payments. Okay, so a significant portion of the population still does not use the digital payments for the day-to-day transaction, and we want to convert our economy from the cash economy to the digital economy. For that, we want all the people of the country to be able to use the digital payments, to be aware about the digital payments, and for that the Digital Payment Awareness Week has been launched by the Reserve Bank of India. And under this Digital Payments Awareness Week, there is the launch of the mission of Her Payment Digital. Okay, so here you can see that the RBI launches the mission hashtag Her Payment Digital on the occasion of Digital Payments Awareness Week, that is DPAW 2023. So this is a part of RBI's endeavor. Now this mission, that is the Her Payment Digital, this is a part of RBI's step to make every person in our country, to make every person in India a user of digital payments. Okay, and that's why the Digital Payment Awareness Week, under this week the Her Payment Digital mission has been launched. Okay, so now, in order to bridge the gap between the people that are using the digital payments and the people that are not even aware about the digital payments, so to bridge this gap, the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das launched a mission, Her Payment Digital, with the aim of making every citizen in the country a user of the digital payments. Okay, so now coming to DPAW 2023, that is being observed from March 6th to 12th 2023, that is the Digital Payment Awareness Week is actually going on currently. Okay, the campaign theme is Digital Payment Apnao Auro Ko Bhi Sikhao. So what does this mean? That you yourself adopt the digital payments and teach the people around you that how they can use the digital payments. So adopt the digital payments yourself and also teach others to adopt the digital payments. Okay, you yourself adopt the digital payments and then you will teach the other people will teach the other people, and due to this also their spread of the digital payments, the awareness about the digital payments will grow. Okay, so remember this theme very clearly. Okay, digital payment apnao auro ko bhi sikhao, adopt digital payments and also teach others. So here you can see that Her Payment Digital, here you can see Her Payment Digital, this is the logo, we can say this is the idea, and here in this Digital Payments Awareness Week 2023 or the Her Payment Digital, in this the logo or in this the idea, in this the theme is this. Okay, so I hope you have understood the basic idea of the week and the mission. The digital payments offer benefits of speed, convenience, safety and security. You know that how beneficial it is the digital payments are. The existing infrastructure has made the digital payments available and accessible. The Reserve Bank of India, the government of India, they continuously are working towards the building the payments infrastructure. We have recently done the PIDF scheme where we have understood that how RBI is looking forward, how RBI is helping for the payment infrastructure development. Okay, that's why a fund has been created. So the RBI is continuously working to increase the payments infrastructure, digital infrastructure in the country. But it is necessary to create more awareness which can increase acceptance and enhance adoption. So even if the infrastructure is being reached to all the points in the country, but if the people are not aware about those infrastructure, the digital payments, then the people will not accept it. Okay, and the main focus is for the people to accept and enhance the adoption of the digital payments. Now let's understand about this week first, and then we will move to the mission of her payment digital. So the digital payment acceptance, the awareness week 2023, during this week there are many different steps that has been taken. Okay, so first of all, this week is being celebrated from March 6th 2023 to March 12th 2023. Now here, why in this month only the week is being celebrated, the awareness week is being celebrated? First reason can be that the Department of Payment and Settlement System that was formed in March 7th 2005. So that's why we can say that every year around March, around these dates, the March starting week, the awareness week is being celebrated. Now during the DPAW 2003, the regional offices of the Reserve Bank of India will be conducting the awareness and outreach programs. So the outreach programs, the awareness programs will be conducted under the awareness week, and which will also form part of the Jan Bhagidari events under the G20 theme of promoting digital public infrastructure, and the India has the G20 presidency currently. Okay, now I hope you have understood that the outreach programs, the awareness programs will be conducted by the regional office of RBI, and this is to promote the acceptance and use of digital payments, and this is as per the G20 theme also. Okay, so now similar steps will be also taken by the non-bank payment system operators and the bank also. Okay, the Reserve Bank will also initiate a 75 digital villages program in observance of 75 years of independence. So there will be the start of 75 digital villages program. So the first program we have understood, awareness and outreach program, that will be included, that will be a part of the Jan Bhagidari. The second program is the 75 villages program. Under this program, the payment system operators will adopt 75 villages across the country. So the villages will be adopted by the payment system operators, and 75 villages will be adopted and will be converted them into the digital payment enabled villages. So they will be converted into the digital payment enabled villages. They will conduct 2 camps. So the payment system operators will be conducting 2 camps in each of these villages to enhance the awareness and onboard the merchants in the village for digital payments. So this is a very important program that you need to remember, and remember that these villages will be different villages that are not covered under the DBU system, that is not covered under the aspirational district program or any other program. So they will be different. They will be new villages that will be covered by the payment system operators under the 75 digital villages. Now, why this? What is the importance of the DPAW 2023? Okay, so the 40% of the 90,000 respondents. So there was a pan-India survey that happened, and 40% of the 90,000 respondents in an RBI survey said that they had used digital payments. That is good. But 35% said that they were non-users though they were aware about the digital payments, and 23% were not even aware about the digital payments. So you can see that there is a huge percentage of the people that are either not aware about the digital payments, or they are not even using the digital payments even though they are aware about it. So that's why continuously the RBI is doing these kind of awareness programs. The RBI has conducted this digital payment awareness week because there is a huge group of the people, there is the huge population of our country that is still not aware about the digital payments, or that is not engaged in the digital payments, especially the villages, especially the far off areas. Now coming to payment system operators. See, I hope you have the idea about the payment system operators. It means they are any person who operates or any entity who operates, maintains, facilitates or sustains the payment system involving the use of credit card or any other system through which the payments is being made between a payer and the beneficiary. Okay, even the NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, is also a payment system operator, okay, because it is engaged in many of the payment system authorized criteria. Okay, so here you can see that the payment system operators, Phone Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, they all are the payment system operators. They are enabling the payment from the payer to the beneficiary. They are helping to provide the payment system. Okay, so they are the payment system operator. Now coming to Har Payment Digital, we have understood about the Digital Payment Awareness Week 2023, in which there are different programs that is happening, in which the mission of the Har Payment Digital is being conducted, in which there is the 75 Digital Villages program that is being run, in which the outreach programs, awareness programs that will be form a part of the Jan Bhagidari, that is also a program under the DPAW 2023. Now this mission, that is Har Payment Digital, is a very important mission that is being conducted under the DPAW 2023. So this mission, Har Payment Digital, is aimed at reinforcing the ease and convenience of digital payments and facilitate the onboarding of new consumers into the digital fold to increase the expansion of the digital payments, to make more people aware about the digital payments. So the message of digital payment apnao, औरों को भी सिखाओ, adopt digital payments and also teach others. This message is being spread under the mission Har Payment Digital and is very relevant and expected to create greater awareness and usage among the people. So you can understand that the theme or the message under the Har Payment Digital is also this, and the theme or the message under the awareness week is also this. So this is a very important message or theme that you need to remember. Okay, so here you can see digital payment apnao, औरों को भी सिखाओ, that is adopt the digital payments and also teach others. So this is under the hashtag Har Payment Digital. So now, while launching the mission, the governor appealed to all the stakeholders, that is the banks, that is the non-banks, that is the payment system operators, even the digital payment users, even the industries, all the governor of our country, the governor of the Reserve Bank of India, it has appealed to all the stakeholders to adopt the digital payments and to teach others about the merits of using the digital payments, because if you are going to teach others, then only it is going to be spread into the country. This would encourage every person to become a digital payment user. So the central bank intends to partner with appropriate agencies, okay, to reach out to the villages, to reach out across the country, to reach out to the far off areas, to propagate the campaign theme message that we have again and again discussed. This is the message that the RBI wants to spread. This is the message that is being adopted for this mission or for the whole of the awareness week. Okay. So now the address by Governor Shri Shaktikanta Das, so the address has been provided. The speech has been given on this occasion of the launch of mission Har Payment Digital. So it is a matter of pride that payment systems in India have witnessed over 1,000 crore transactions every month since December 2022. This speaks volume of the robustness and the efficiency of our payments ecosystem and the acceptance by the consumers, and this tells that how far we have come from the cash economy to getting converted into the digital economy, how big steps the RBI is taking, how big steps the NPCI is taking. The message is in sync, the message of that we have again and again discussed, the theme that we have again and again discussed is in sync with the Payments Vision 2025 that has also been provided by the RBI, by the Department of Payment and Settlement System, that is e-payments for everyone, everywhere, every time. So the message or the theme is also in sync with the Payment Vision 2025, and the Payment Vision 2025 has the theme of this that I hope you will remember. Significantly, inclusion has been identified as one of the major anchors under the vision, and various activities proposed now will help facilitate the same. So the payment vision, that is the Digital Payment Vision 2025, is a document that has been released by the Department of the Payments and Settlement System. Now in this vision, the aim, the idea is the e-payments. The core theme is e-payments for everyone, everywhere, every time, and the vision is to provide every user with safe, secure, fast, convenient, accessible and affordable e-payment options. And this Digital Payments Awareness Week 2023 or the Har Payment Digital, this mission, they are moving towards this vision, they are following this payment vision. Okay, so I hope you have now understood this very clearly, that under the Digital Payments Awareness Week, this mission is being conducted, while there are other missions, other programs also that are being conducted under the week. Okay, and remember the theme, remember the message very clearly. Direct question can be asked from this in the news, in the examination. So now, see, there was another week that was being executed, that was being observed in February. That was Financial Literacy Week 2023. Do not confuse the Digital Payment Awareness Week with the Financial Literacy Week. This was celebrated in February, while the DPAW is being observed in March. Okay. So the theme for this was good financial behavior, your savior. We have already discussed this in length. The Financial Literacy Week has already been discussed, and now you have also understood about the Digital Payments Awareness Week and the mission under this week. Okay, so this is the first question. I hope you will be able to easily answer this question, and this is the second question. Do read through it and you will be able to easily answer this question. Do be aware about the week that is going on. The theme is very important, the message is very important. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. Here you will get the PDF of today's session. Thank you very much everyone, and if you have any query, you can mail us here, you can contact us through this number, you can comment in the comment section below. I will be able to answer you, okay, at the time only. So thank you very much. I hope you have understood the Digital Payments Awareness Week and the Har Payment Digital mission very well. Thank you very much everyone.